Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making pecan pie. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you would need pecan halves, a 9-inch deep dish pie crust, 3 eggs, butter, light corn syrup, pure vanilla extract, granulated sugar, and light brown sugar. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of light corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 eggs, 2 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well. Next, add 1 1/2 cup of pecans and mix well. With a fork, poke small holes in the bottom of the pie crust. Pour in your pecan mixture. Next, place the pie on a preheated cookie sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. The pie is done when the center reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow to cool for 2 hours. And there you have it, pecan pie. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.